I think slide share is not at all possible will be there. I will start the.
Yeah, otherwise I'm sharing. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. You
Okay.
will share because I changed
Yes.
this one. The slide share is not at all coming, sir. Okay, sir. I'll
Okay.
start from without sharing the slides, sir.
Yeah.
Hmm. Sir, good evening, everyone. Welcome to this session, Tendril 2424. Today, my talk it will be the industry and academic collaboration, and we know that is a very important area. There we are not able to do it. So I start my title that is called the Synergy Spark Lightning Industry Academic Collaboration with Team Power. So what is my team for the today? That one will be my team is one is the industry and second one it is the academies. So industry, it means we know the industry, they are the focusing in the products and the academician, they are focusing in the process. But they are not at all connecting because there is some, their funda will be their academicians thinking like that. Maybe uh, the time is very less or from we are not able to collaborate with or we are not able to connect to the industry persons. Same thing, same issues are coming with the industry persons. They are thinking if we go for there, so many paperworks are there, so many formalities are there, so they are not able to do it the work in that one. So all these problems and these issues are there, and still we are struggling for industry and academic collaborations. So that is the, and I will share the thing. There is a one example. If you are seeing lithium ion battery, with the lithium ion battery, we know the battery itself developed in the lab 1970, and they will do all the modifications in the 19 up to 1980, and its commercialization will happen in the 1991. And after that, they received the Nobel Prize in the 2019. You see, this Nobel Prize winner work, it will be taking that much glitch. So whatever the works we are doing in the academic level, we are not able to give to the industries. So being a commission, I'm thought process is going on continuously, how we can correlate all these things. So I start with my level. I connect to so many industry persons and I try to uh, understand what they are doing, what they are knowing. Then I will visit to JD Metla industry. I collect their directory and I send small messages to so many industry persons. And after that, I receive the one person. They are using the CAD/CAM services from our colleges. So then it will be giving the more positive mindset to me. I did continuously work and I will promote. Then I joined one entrepreneurial development program which is conducted by Alip, and then I will connect with the Ajay sir. And Ajay sir, I asked to Ajay sir, sir, I want to give the talk in this particular topic. Sir is accepted me. Thank you, sir. So I started preparing these things. So for that, all academics and industry collaboration, I think we have to be do the work. We have to be take the opportunities and whatever the challenges, we both have to be take it and unlocking our potential with the opportunities through collaboration with academic industries. And what is our objective for all doing these things? Our main objective, we have to be make our world or our earth sustainable. So we have to become in the sustainable world. That is our main objective. So we know we have the SDGs, and there's 17 SDGs. Few SDGs are related to our protection of our environment, our biosphere, that we are able to live properly. Second one, it is from the society, which will be some SDG goals related for the society, which will be giving the happiness and well-being, and few our goals are related to the economy, which will giving our strength. So being educationist or academician, what we have the lot of knowledge between the additive manufacturing and the 3D printings. We have the knowledge about the biodegradable polymers. We have established CAD/CAM labs. We have some idea about in the theoretical level from the carbon capturing, utilization and storage, but not practically. We have the so many knowledges about the softwares that will be uh, resolve the issues for the chemistry softwares and density functional theory softwares. whatever the products for we are doing the experimental work, we can do in the theoretically, and the time of that particular product which will be going very very less, and we have so many type of the sensors and memories ideas will be there. So what is this 3D printing, or what is the 3D printing revolution? If you're taking this 3D printing, it is just like a simple printer. In the printer, what we command we can do, and within a 1 minute we are able to take the one page printout within a seconds. Same thing will happen here. We are able to develop the prototypes, which is the 3D and 2D, that will be reducing the cost and also giving the some improvements if it is required. And then if you are taking the expertization from the academician, whatever the advanced materials and designing principles, they will be combined with the real industries, and giving whatever the challenges are coming in the real world, that we can create new avenues for the problem solving and innovations. If we are doing this joint project with additive manufacturing, it derives the research environments as well as the mutual benefits through technological breakthroughs. Then we can go for the green innovations. What is this green innovations? Whatever the biodegradable polymers we are using, how much or what type of the required, that will be only provide the information from the industry side only. So we have to go for the whatever the practical insights, enhancing the understanding the material properties, behaviors, that knowledge giving from the academic side, but what are the practical applications, that we are able to go for the industry sides. If industry provides the academia valuable market insights, guiding the research towards developing the biodegradable polymers to address specific industry challenges. What are the challenges are coming from the industry side? Because if you're doing alone without, that will be not at all useful. Then we have to be take, that is a one of the very important area, CAD CAM, that will be giving the so many type of the inputs for product designing, manufacturing processes with advanced software tools. This CAD can facilitate rapid prototyping, product visualization. You are able to visualize the product, helping the industries quickly and refine the designing before manufacturing. That will be reduce the cost and also provide the profitability. Then pollution is the major issue, and we know from the industry carbon dioxide is the one of the major gas that are coming from outside. But if we are going, we collaborate with the industries and academician, we are able to do some innovative research, carbon capture uses and storage. That will be, we can organize the workshops, what are the challenges are coming, we can design that CCS in that way, and we can go for the some practical field trials that will be giving the industry facilities and the academic expertise. This practical experimentation give the validation and the uh, deployment of the CCUS solutions. That will be there. We can go for in that direction. Because I am the chemistry person, so I am more focusing in this chemistry, that we can able to discover molecular insights. There is a lot of softwares are available that we can make design the molecules. We can design the synthesis route in the theoretical level only. No need to go for their experimental work. Once we can see these predictions are good, only that particular experiment we have to be do. So that will be the great opportunity if we are going, if we are collaborating with the industries, enhance the capability for the comprehensive data analysis by combining the academic research finding with the industries. Our brainstorming will be there, prototype will be there, and test the new ideas in the computational chemistry, forecasting innovation, and the potentially yielding will be there. There's a one more software that if we go for the advanced materials designing, that is called the DFT. With the DFT, we can go for the prediction, and then we can go for their experimental testing also. That if the large data sets will be available, if the lot of industries are there and the large data sets will be available, then we are using more advanced machine learning algorithms that will be giving the more accurate and more complex results in the very simple solutions with the discovery of the molecular structures or the synthetic routes and all these things. Then we have able to go make the different type of the sensors with the communication departments, and whatever the eco-friendly sensors, biodegradable sensors, that we are able to do it. And we can go for the engineering knowledges and along with the industrial practices, optimizing the manufacturing and the sensors and the different type of the members, air pollution, water pollutions, all these things we are able to do it. And we know in the Khairatabad, there is an area where they are displaying what is the pollution level and all these things. This is the only collaboration with the academics and industries. There's a lot of problems are coming, and still this collaboration is not at all that much fruitful. So we have to, whatever the problems and whatever the issues are coming, we have to be solved at our level only. We are not thinking about if the big projects will come or a big assignments will come, then only we are able to do it. So we have to be focused in whatever the issues are there. Like if it is a long term, some issues are coming, so we have to solve in our level, and we have to do the work in that level. So very important thing, it will be starting from the education side. In the education system, we have to make the persons different thought process. For example, if we are saying A, so I think 90% mind is coming apple only, because in our education system we are learned heard about that one, A for apple. You know, A for there's million and billion birds are there, but we are not able to do that thing. So that is the reason that thought process we have to be changed. Whatever we are learned, that we have to be correlate with the industry. That is the important, because if you seeing this pie chart, there is a three parameters are there: education, social responsibility, innovation, research, talents. If education will be there and it will be related from the industry, then it will be converting to the talents. If it is not related to the industry, then it will be not converted into the talents. Then whatever the research universities are doing, if that research we can correlate with the industry, then it will be converted into some innovations and some products. And the social responsibility, definitely both have the social responsibility for doing this work. So if in the primary level we see, we have to go for the common interest, we have to scoping and planning will be there. Then we have to, because if any glitch and problems are coming, we have to go for the first written agreements and contracting, then resources, whatever the resources are there. Then we have to start research and development. Then data sharing will be there. Then some analysis, then prototype, testing, validation, quality assurance. So many things are commercially deployments, monitoring, evaluation, knowledge transfer, publication, and ultimate goals is sustainable and future collaboration. So if we
Absolutely
see,
correct.
if we see, this stage is not always linear. Some complexes are coming, some multiple projects or some things are, some phases we have to, but all the problems and all these things we have to be overcome, and we have to make it as a successful from the each steps. And these for the how we can go successful, each and every steps, not saying it is academic work or it is industrial work. We have to make it in academic work as well as the industrial work at a time with the collaborative way. Then we are able to go and we can make it successful. So this I share some pictures from our college. All the departments are available: automobile, EC, EEE, EIE, CSE. All allied branches are there. Mechanical. So there is so many good labs are available. Expert persons are available. If anyone want to come, I am welcome to visit the college and see how you can correlate, how you can collaborate with us, and we are very happy to share all these things. In these are few labs I will share with you. That was the only few labs I take the photographs and I share with you. And from the my side, I have the linking from the a lot of IIT's persons, CSIR labs, ISER, and Technology Mission Division. I have the so many collaborations with the central, state, and deemed universities. I have the professional membership of the IEEE, Royal Chemical Society, Indian Chemical Society, and American Chemical Societies. So what is the my objective? All these things. How we can start the work? So what is my idea will be there. First, we have to be start academic and industry to publish our research articles in the high impact journals. What will be happen with this one? The first thing is there. If we are doing this thing, so we have to idea about each and every person. We share the idea from the industry. We share the idea from the academics, and the for example, if we are taking the millets, which is the now presently one of the high demanding area where a lot of persons are doing the work. Whatever the raw millets you are using, what is your final product? If the raw millet you have to be take it their infrared spectroscopy, and you see what are the functional groups are present. Same you have to take it from your product side, infrared spectroscopy. Is there a changes are happened? What will be happen? What type of the carbohydrate changes are there? It is in the sucrose form or it is in a fructose form. There's a lot of information we are able to find out in this research articles. So that what is the benefit from the industry side? You have the ISI mark, because if you're publishing in the high impact journal, it means your work will be recognized, and you have the some authentic data that you have to go for the global export marketing also. And what is the benefit from the academic side? There is the benefit of the academic side. For that one, we have go for the research citations. Our research going ground is going from the very high, and we are happy ki whatever research we are doing, that will be helpful for the society. If you know the Patanjali, they are doing the same area. They have developed the products and they have developed a very good research lab and research team also. And always when the morning they have talk will be there, the person Anurag will come and they will explain all the research, whatever the products they have and their research and their research publication. So that is the one of the best area, one of the best idea for doing the collaboration with the industry and academics. So I just with the two thoughts, I not only whatever brain I have to be borrow. That is the 1% thought. And if we are doing, team is minimize the weakness and maximize the strength. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity for with this talk. And I'm sorry for the initially some problems and issues are coming. Now there is a time for interaction.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much for your insightful presentation, ma'am. Like, have you discussed the same thing with the academy and industry relations with the industry bodies, any of the industry associations?
Sir, I discuss with the JD Metla Industrial Association. They will only they will provide me all these things, some directory and all these things. But directly, industry persons, 1 or 2 persons I connected, sir.
Yeah, I
Because I
think,
started in the 2022 like that. Ki I have to do the start the work. So 2 or 3 persons, industry person, I connected directly, sir.
yeah, because I think Mr. Ravi joined and left, maybe due to technical problem. He's running a
Okay.
what's called corrugated boxes unit. Maybe they need to convert into biodegradable corrugated boxes in future. Maybe likewise, and also Ms.
Okay.
Muripa is there. She's
Yes.
making FRB tanks. Maybe that maybe a lot of research has to be done in that area also.
Yes.
Because coming to this group, most of the members are very first generation entrepreneurs at a very
Yes.
nascent stage. All the entrepreneurs, most of them, maybe now I got the idea. Like what type of projects can be
Yes.
initiated in future, and what type of
Mm-hmm.
research can be done in
Yes.
academy. Maybe whenever I had a chance, I'll connect to the
Mm-hmm.
entrepreneurs so that they can reach you, and you can do
Yes.
the research work on that, and maybe you can publish in the journals. As you rightly told, we need to publish in the right journals. Means
That is the very
not
important
in
thing, sir.
every journals, very important journal.
No.
That's very
That's the
important. Yeah, so that other people will also know. అంటే మన ఇండియాలో లేదు కానీ like Germany and other things.
mm,
ఎవరు రీసెర్చ్ కావాలన్నా దే అప్రోచ్ యూనివర్సిటీస్
mm.
అండ్ దే విల్ గెట్ ద రీసెర్చ్. మన ఇండియాలో నాకు తెలిసినంత వరకు సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ లో వరకు అంటే స్ట్రెంత్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ కావాలన్నా లేకపోతే సాయిల్ టెస్టింగ్ కావాలన్నా దే గో టు యూనివర్సిటీస్.
Yes. The remaining they are not
Other
coming. They are
departments are
not coming, sir. I am even directly
they are
if
not.
directly if I'm connecting also, not they are thinking lot of issues are there or this. But definitely, if we are going from the this publication level, we are able to connect it. We know the understand the things out there, sir.
Yeah. And one more thing, maybe Dr. Chandrasekhara garu group lo pettaru chusara, like any innovative idea there for making a prototype, they are ready to give the grant of 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Maybe
Okay, sir.
you can promote 1 or 2 entrepreneurs with innovative ideas.
Yes, yes, yes. Sure,
Yeah,
sir.
Muripa gar, I think there needs to be a lot of collaboration between industry and particularly in your area.
I totally agree with you, sir. Because aquaculture is something which is, even today, it is unorganized sector. So we from our end also, we're trying to collaborate and bridge the gaps between the industry and the farmers, retailers and all. So madam, your insights were really helpful, and I will surely connect with
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
when we start our
Yes,
research
thank you.
process and all,
Yes, yes, yes.
because we are
Sir,
constantly into product research.
yeah, we are actually what happens, we want to focus in the product research only, but we don't have that idea. So if the industries persons are coming forward and they give their problems, then we are able to solve it. That is the, I'm damn sure, if you are giving the problems, we are able to solve it. That is not
That's
at all
wonderful,
issue.
madam. Yeah,
Yes,
that's wonderful actually to know and all. Hence,
yes,
I would like to know, I'll personally connect with you,
yes,
because
yes, sure,
we,
ma'am.
being the manufacturing industry, we look into
Mhm.
product quality and the developmental of product, prototype products and all. But there are certain
Yes,
things
yes,
which we actually need your assistance, like, a startup like yours, or like, a
yes,
company
yes,
like
yes,
yours, who
yes,
can
yes,
give us,
yes.
like, the strength analysis, or like, the analysis in terms of water research and all. So
Okay,
I
okay.
would definitely connect with you. Thank you very much
Yes,
for today's
thank
session, ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, Maresh gar, anything? Actually, I'm hailing from a Prakasam district. Yeah,
హలో
Maresh gar,
సార్
anything to say? Yeah.
సార్
But,
ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ మన సైడ్ షుగర్ కేన్ ఎక్కువగా పండిస్తారు సార్ ఇక్కడ రివర్ బెల్ట్ ఉండడం వల్ల దాని
okay.
వేస్ట్ నుంచి బయోడిగ్రేడబుల్ బాటిల్స్ రెడీ చేశారు సార్ ఒక ఇన్నోవేషన్ దీని కింద ఈ
Okay.
దీనిపైన రీసెర్చ్ చేసి అంటే అక్కడ అహ్మదాబాద్ లో చేశాడు మనకి
Mhm.
ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా అది ఆ వేస్ట్ ని మనం యూజ్ చేసుకొని బయోడిగ్రేడబుల్ బాటిల్స్ చేస్తే ఫీజ్ గా పోతుంది సార్ అది
Suchi madam, can you respond?
Sir, actually, we are able to do it then, because lot of work is going on. The only thing is there, what your product, if any drawbacks are coming, because biodegradable sugarcane, lot of work is going on. With the so many persons are making different type of the plastics, different type of the materials. But what are the challenges are coming? If you tell them, then we are able to do it that way. Otherwise, it will be difficult. We can go from the grass, because making with the this all biodegradable materials or agriculture waste, different type of the plastics are, different type of the biodegradable materials are made up, but no one is giving the assurance, because still we know, if we are going from the analysis, some plastics or something is required for the gaining the strength, sir. So that what plastics and how much percentage is required, that we have to be see, and then we have to be go further forward, sir. Especially first we need the raw product of what you are doing, then we are able to understand the things of that one, and then we are giving the solutions. Because in the if you're giving from the research papers, there's a lot of research papers are available, they are making from the lot of agricultural waste and products are available. But if we are going, that is only from the laboratory scale. In the industrial scale, entire system will be different, it will going on changes, because the laboratory scales we are using in the milligrams, there we have to go from the ton. So that differences we have to be overcome in that one. Once we have to go from the commercial scale, what are the issues are coming, what are the problems are coming, that we are able to overcome, sir.
యా మహేష్ గారు, మీరు అదే హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చేటప్పుడు కనుక యాక్చువల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏంటి, దాని రా మెటీరియల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉంది, ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటి చెప్పగలిగితే మేబీ ఐ థింక్ మేడం కెన్ హెల్ప్ యూ ఇన్ గెటింగ్ ఫైన్ ప్రోడక్ట్.
షూర్ సార్, ఓకే ఓకే తప్పకుండా సార్, అలాగే చేస్తాం. రైట్ సార్,
రైట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ హెయిలింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్రకాశం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. అక్కడ నాకు తెలిసిన పర్సన్ విత్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ 10 crores he started a very big unit for the cultivation of aquaculture. But when I asked maybe after 1 month, when I asked them, why are you not starting? He told me that same replication they have started in in near Karimnagar, but first batch was not done well. That's the reason they stopped growing of all this aquaculture. I don't know. Without research, they have done it, it seems, by seeing the prototype in somewhere in Germany or something. They have started that unit because that owner actually he sits in America and he want to start in USA, sorry, in a small village, that very remote village. Maybe that for that type of unit, there is a lot of academic research is required, it seems. Anyway, I'll ask them to also to connect with you too, so that they'll get
Yes, 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 yes.
maybe some
Sure,
benefit
sir.
from. Hmm.
Sure, sir. If they are connecting and if they give the problem, we are able to solve it. But that is the
Yes.
problem will coming. We are not able to know what are the problems are there. If the questions are available, answers definitely are available, sir. There is no
Yeah.
problem about the answers.
About 3D printing you are talking about. Do you have any incubation at
Yes, sir.
the
In
college
our
level?
college, it
Your
will be there, sir.
incubation's support is limited to your students or outside
No, no,
people
no, no.
also?
Outside people also, sir. We have the
They can
incubation
come and
center, VJ Incubation Center. I will share the link also, VJ Incubation. Outside person supports is also there, sir.
So what is the eligibility criteria to become the incubation from from your
I
college?
think main thing is there from the students or maybe the startups. Two things are there, and details I will just talk to the Dr. Kiran is the in charge of that one. So all details, whatever the things are there, but the main thing is there startups and students
Okay,
criteria.
okay. Okay, they need to have this
Ha,
Startup India.
ha,
They need to be
ha, ha,
registered in Startup India. Okay.
ha. Or maybe they have some idea they
Maybe
want to
that
promote.
information. Yeah, yeah. Maybe actually regarding IT incubation, is it possible?
IT incubation, I think it will be there, sir. From the IT department, I have to be asked because we have to be incubation center. There we have to be go for the all the departments, not only from the single this one. All the
Yeah.
department EC, Triple E, IT, CSC, CSC, allied branches, all are there.
Okay, anyway, thank you very much, madam, for your inspirable talk, and also, it's a proactive. I hope, I think your session will be recorded and will upload in YouTube. More and more people will see your talk, and maybe I'll try to connect to some other industry association so that more and more academy
Yeah,
and
yeah.
collaboration will be happen.
Yes, yes,
Thank you very
yes,
much
sir.
for joining this
Thank you.
Tendrils
Thank
talk,
you.
and make
Thank
it
you.
be successful, and have a nice weekend. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining this program. Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Thank you so much, sir.